Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Add 5 grams of baking powder and 1 gram of salt. 20 milliliters of vegetable oil. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. 125 milliliters of milk and mix gently to combine. I love reading your comments. Mix everything together until a soft dough forms. You don't need to knead it for long, just bring everything together. The dough should be soft and easy to work with. Roll out the dough. Dough thickness 0 to 5 to 1 centimeter. Cut the dough into small circles. Your support truly makes my day. Please rate this video from 1 to 10. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Comment and subscribe for more easy recipes. Cover with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes on each side. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, cook until golden and fluffy. Soft, delicious homemade bread with no yeast and no oven.